Ever wondered what ecology is and how it's organized and studied? Let's find out. Ecology is one of the most broad branches of biology because it is the study of the relationships between living organisms and their physical environment.
Physical.
No, not that type of physical. I'm talking about things you can touch, like this rock, or feel, like the sun or wind on your skin. More literally, ecology is the study of home. Our home, planet Earth. The Earth is the only known place in the universe where life exists, and is home to almost 10 million different species, including us humans. Ecologists work closely with other fields of science, including astronomy, geology, chemistry, and agriculture. In order to better understand how living things interact with their environment, there is a hierarchy in the levels of organization connected with ecological studies. Beginning with a single organism, the levels become more and more inclusive. Organized smallest to largest, they are individual, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. The smallest and most exclusive level is the individual. An individual refers to a single living organism. The organism can be unicellular, like this amoeba, or multicellular, like this red foddy, or like this fern, or like this dog, or like this morning glory, or like this cat, or like this rhododendron. Well, you get the point. The next level is a population. A population is a group of individuals of the same species living in the same place at the same time. These bannerfish all live together and interbreed. That makes them a population. Population ecology examines how and why populations change over time. After population is the community. I'm in a community right now. A community is all the populations of different species that live in the same area. Besides interacting with other members of their species, many organisms depend on other living things to survive. Predation, competition, and symbiosis are all interactions that take place on the community level. Here you can see ants carrying a dead spider back to their colony, an interaction between two animal populations taking place within the community. An ecosystem, the next level, is all the living and non-living things in an area interacting with each other. This is the essence of ecology. Biotic factors, which are the living organisms that help shape an ecosystem, are highly dependent on the abiotic factors, which are the non-living parts, to survive. These crabs are living organisms. Their survival is dependent on the tide, the temperature of the air, the pH of the water, and the intensity of the sun. All of these are abiotic factors in the crab's ecosystem.
What are you looking at, buddy?
The next level, a biome, is a large ecological area characterized by its soil, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. A biome may be composed of many habitats, but the temperature and rainfall usually determine the type of soil and the organisms that are found there. Pennsylvania is dominated by temperate deciduous forests, a biome with 4 seasons, regular rainfall, and trees that lose their leaves each year. Because of this, the temperate deciduous forest can support a large variety of fungi, plants, and animals. A biome map, like this, helps to show where certain biomes are found around the world. The last and most inclusive group is the biosphere. The biosphere includes all the parts of Earth where life exists. This thin layer on Earth's surface seems small when compared to the entire mass of the Earth, but is actually quite large when you consider all the different living things it contains. The levels of ecological study offer different insights into how organisms interact with each other and their environment. Often, scientists use multiple levels to explain what is happening in a particular ecological system. To understand what is causing the decline in the ash tree population, one might look to the surrounding community to see that it is a direct result of an invasive beetle species called the emerald ash borer. Each level provides new insight into better understanding the environment.